Before we get started, before I tell you the first product, I want you to keep three things in mind. First, the weirder the product, the better it will do. The weirder the product, the better it will do. All right? Cool. Second, you gotta learn to play with people's emotions and feelings. So a product that plays with people's emotions and feelings and solves a problem is likely to sell more than the product that is just a fun and toy. All right, cool. Third, Gary Vee once said, do not ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel if you're not giving them something of an equal value for your subscription. So all I ask is for you to subscribe to my channel if you gained any knowledge out of this video. All right, cool, thank you. Let's get started. First product is a bidet. If you don't know what a bidet is used on a toilet instead of toilet paper. So it's more sanitary and you don't have to use your hands at all. What that means is that A, you save on paper towel, B, it's more sanitary, so it's much better for the environment, and it helps you keep your house clean. Overall, it's a very good product. I'm gonna show you how and where and how I found it, so just watch. All right, guys, so we have the bidet right over here. This is the brand that I'm looking at. So yeah, they have created their TikTok. As you can see, the followings and the likes they have on their TikTok is crazy, right? So this is the website they're selling. They're selling for $49.99 USD, which is a lot compared to how much they're buying it for. So I'll show you how much they're buying it for. I found the exact same bidet they're selling. If you can see, the knob is the exact same one as the one they have over here. So the knob is the same and everything is literally the same except the fact that they have put their own logo on it. They have made a branding out of this, right? So they're making money from this. So now looking at the price, they're selling this for $12.99. Sorry, they're buying this for $12.99. That's one set, if you're buying one set. And they're selling for $49.99 USD. Okay, so now imagine you at least buy 500 quantities of this from Alibaba. I bet the price can go down to at least $9, even $8. So your margins go up like crazy. So I actually also found the most liked and viewed video on their TikTok, and it's this one right here. As you can see, it does a pretty good job at explaining and showing you what it is and how to set it up. So it's right over here. You turn off your water pressure, get everything ready, connect it to the bidet, and it's very easy to set up. That's the whole idea, right? It's very easy to set up. It promotes cleanliness, and there it is. The pressure is really high. That's what it's showing, and it's crazy. So now going back to their Amazon, they're selling it on Amazon already, and on Amazon, this is the Canadian one. They're selling it for $65, and you can see they already have 209 reviews, which is crazy. That means there is a market for this out there, right? You can see that this was done actually just 5 days ago. This review was left in Canada just 5 days ago. This was, this is amazing. Then this is the US one. So this is the US Amazon. As you can see, they're selling for $49.99, same price as their website. But obviously they're getting more margins on Shopify because that's how Shopify works. It's your website. You get to pay less fees. Second product is Crystal Hair Remover. If you have seen it on TikTok, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's been making a killing because of how it plays with buyers' emotions and how good it is at expressing what the product does just through a video. You're like, whoa, I want that product. So let me show you. Second product, I actually use Dropship Rabbit, and this helped me find really, really good products. As you can see, it's a free ad spy tool that you can use for your research and anything like that. And our second product is right over here. Just gonna turn the volume off. And I'm sure you've seen this on TikTok because I know I have multiple times. And season is around the corner where people need to go out. They want to wear shorts, especially girls, right? So what they do is get this product to do an easy hair removal without getting any ingrowns or anything like that. It promotes silky skin. And there you have it. Like, it does such a good job. So here's another TikTok I found. You can see the amount of likes it's getting. It's incredible. Same thing. Just rub it off on your skin. Hair comes off, promotes smooth skin, and it's very easy. So that's that. And I found the TikTok account that's actually promoting these products. You can see how many videos they're posting back to back, giving it to influencers, getting them to make videos so they can post it over here. And I went on their website right over here. They're selling for $39.99. Now you're wondering, how much are they buying me for? Wait, you're gonna be shocked. The price of this is 4 cents. And if you include shipping in there, it comes to approximately $3 after tax and everything, which is amazing. And it's going to be here July 7th. So in approximately a month, it can arrive in Canada. Let's see what it looks like for United States. So for United States, the price is actually a bit higher than Canada's shipping. As you can see, it sells for $6 and after shipping, it comes to $4. So you're looking at about $11 cost to United States, but that's because I increased the shipping time from July 28th to June 28th. So that's almost a month difference. And I would rather get the item shipped faster and make less money so I can make a better name for myself in that industry. And there you have it. That's the second product. It's making a killing out of it. As you can see, it's really doing well on Facebook. These are the items that are being promoted. One of the good things about Dropship Rabbit is that you can click this Facebook button right here and it takes you directly to the Facebook page of the promoting product. And there you have that. So that's how I found this product using Dropship Rabbit. Okay, jumping into our third product. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel below. It does help me a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. Third product is a portable makeup organizer that you can use and carry with yourself, and it comes with a mirror, so it's all in one package. And with wedding season just around the corner, it's going to be so useful. You have no idea how much the girls will love it. So it solves a problem, also plays with the emotions in the sense that you're like, whoa, I'm going to a wedding, I need something portable for my makeup to take it with me. So there you go, that's the third product. So our third product, again, using Dropship Rabbit, as that's how I found this product. And as you can see, it tells you the selling price, the cost of the product, and the profit margins. Obviously, this does not include what the ads and all the influencer marketing that you're paying for, but at least gives you a small understanding of how the margins are going to be turned out. So this is the third product that's going to be, trending and that I think you should sell. And right over here, it gives you all the links to get to their website. So if you want to see who's selling it, all you have to do is click on this link and it will take you to exactly who is selling it and how much they're selling it for. Again, if you go on TikTok, it's going to take you on the TikTok page and exactly show you what kind of video is there. A video of a girl promoting the makeup organizer that is portable and it comes with a bright light. That's amazing. It's all in one package. So in the end, all you have to do is find a TikTok store that is doing it and just copy them. Literally, just copy them. Obviously, find things that are not working from them so that you can make it better. But honestly, do not try to reinvent the wheel. Just make it better. And you can see that they're selling it for $89.95, right? And you can buy this for $19 shipping to Canada plus $10 shipping. So let's see how much the shipping is to the United States. Okay, so United States is even cheaper. You can buy this product after tax for $25. And according to this store, they're selling it for $89. Let's see how their store looks like. You can do a much better job. Obviously, they're doing a pretty good job with having their reviews here. But I know for a fact you can change the color coding here and just have this website flow a lot better. So that's how you would make money on here. This is what I found on Alibaba. So if you were looking into like massive orders, you can buy, $500 worth of it, 500 units, and it would probably cost you around $6-7 plus shipping. So you would save a lot on that if you're really all in on this product. Video, I used a tool called Dropship Rabbit. It really enhanced my experience on finding these products. It was like this. And for all the products I found, I used this Dropship Rabbit. So be sure to check out the link in the description below to help yourself and help me out in that way. Thank you so much. All right, fourth product is an outdoor weeder. So with summer around the corner, people who love to, do gardening, take care of their garden, their front yard, this product is going to be perfect for them. It's being sold on Amazon, Shopify, everything. So this product can make a killing if you do the marketing and organizing for it right. This will do well. Such a good tool to use if you want to get started. Again, there's a link in the description below. It tells you the selling price, the product cost, and the margin. So it's all in one place. It gives you Facebook ads, all the ads, Amazon, eBay, TikTok, everything is right over here, all one to go, okay? This product is gonna come really handy during the summertime as, gardeners, farmers, they love to get rid of these weeds that are destroying their garden. So this is the best way to do that. As you can see, I found it on Amazon, and on Amazon it's being sold for $38.95. And it has amazing reviews. So you already know this product is proven and does well in the US market. This is on Amazon.com. This is another website selling for $44. This is a Shopify website. So let's see if you can remake this and what the cost would be. So we want this one. Nope, we want this one right here. And let's say you were shipping it to United States. So again, the cost is $12 and shipping is free. So you're paying $12 in cost for an item that you sell for $40. That's almost a 35% margin. That's crazy. So that is for the fourth product. And here is another video of how it's done. So you can just literally make the same video. One of the things I suggest is that you can buy this product on Amazon while you wait for this product to come into your mail. Start making the videos, start making the product videos, start making your own videos, right? Do not wait for the product to arrive until you buy it from AliExpress or Alibaba. You can just buy it on Amazon and start making the product reviews and videos and pictures. All right, fifth product is an eye massager. So if you know anyone who suffers from a lack of sleep or just has trouble closing their eyes when they go to bed, this product is perfect for them. This is a massager that massages your eyes right before bed, and it just enhances your sleep experience. So if you know someone, this gift is perfect for them. And A, again, it plays with the buyer's emotions. B, it's just very attractive because you're like, whoa, it's solving a problem. It's very good in that sense. So let me show you how it's done. All right, time for the last product. This is the eye massager. As you can see, this is a TikTok. You know, they're making TikToks and they have their own website. They have a good following, good amount of likes. They're selling this product for $79.99. High ticket item. And as you can see, the same eye massager right over here with the box, because we want to make it look clean, right? With the box is being sold for $48 almost, and that's to Canada. Let's see how much it is to United States. All right, United States is even cheaper. It's $33.50. So if you're selling for $80, $33, you're making almost 50% minus ads and fees that you're going to pay, everything, all that. So 50% margins. Amazing. Again, if you wanted to buy it on Alibaba, you have that option as well. And you'll be paying a little less because you'll be buying in bulk. But if you want to test the product out, be sure to buy it on AliExpress, test it out, drop ship from there. And there you go. These are the 5 products that you can make a killing out of. Here's one last product that I did not talk about in my intro. This product is just a bonus product right over here. This actually, what it does, it's a phone case that sticks to the wall. And it can be really easily targeted people who love to make TikToks, people who work out at the gym. And these videos do a pretty good job. Here, check this out. This has 200,000 likes. And you can see how well it does at the gym by just, expressing the fact that it can get stuck on any material and then you can make TikTok out of it. This will be doing really well with people who work out at the gym because they don't want to carry around with a tripod. If they can stick it on a wall and just work out in front of it, it's going to do amazing. Right? Again, like it's really targeted at people who work out. Summer's around the corner and it's going to do really, really well. And you can see the struggle. It's solving a problem. And they're selling for $24, right? $24. You can buy this for $3. Let's say if you were shipping it to the United States, just to check. That's amazing. You can buy it for 1 cent. That's unreal. So obviously this is a new user bonus, but keep that in mind. That's amazing. So thank you. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel below. It does help me a lot. So yeah, thank you so much.